How to fix TikTok app not working in Android or iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing your TikTok application not working on your Android or iPhone device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you're using the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you need to open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, either it's Android or iPhone. Then from the search bar, simply type in TikTok and search for it. If you see an update button, something like this, instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Now open your system settings. From here, simply search for TikTok under apps. Then go to the TikTok info page. Now scroll down and go to storage and try clearing the cache and data as well. Come back. Try for stopping this application, uninstalling it, or offloading it on your device. Also, make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. Now come back and check if your internet connection is working properly, because sometimes a weak connection might disrupt the smooth running of the application and cause the problem. So go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is the one with the connection type. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you're still facing the problem, you can contact the app support team for help. So this was all about it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.